have here a window cleaner robot. Let's see what's inside here. We've got some instructions. We've got a pad. We've got the cleaner robot right here. And then here are some other accessories. Got a power cord, a little bottle. So I'll finish taking it all out and we're going to use it. So I got everything out. So the robot cleaner itself has a safety rope with a little lanyard thing. You can hook it up so it will stay safe. And then here are the cords to plug it in. And then here's a little water thing you can put in. You'll want to fill both sides up with some water right there to help clean it. Came with some batteries. I already added the batteries for the remote. Comes with 3 pads. One is already on it. And then instructions to help you get started. So before I use it on an outdoor window or an outdoor door, I have a glass door here and I'm going to try it out. So I don't have my safety rope on because I'm going to be here the whole time watching it, and it's not going to have a spot to hook it. But first thing you're going to want to do is put it right on your window source, push the power button here until you start hearing the fan, and then you're going to see it's going to suction to it. So you're going to know if it's going to be ready to go. So the remote here is very simple. You can have it go Z mode, N mode, or both right here, or you can manually do it and you can pause and play right here if you need to, or stop. Just make sure if you stop it, you have your hand on it because it will lose its suction. So now I'm going to try this one, the N mode, and see what happens. So when it's all done, it will just stop for you. It cleaned it really well. And with the remote, if you push stop, it will just stop. It won't fall off. You have to come here and manually push it off. And then you can see it turns red. And then I can take it off the window. So this is going to be auto spray and manual spray. And then this one is going to clean the belt here on the feet right there. And you'll want to do that when it's actually working and cleaning the window. So I opened my door here and I put it on the other side so the whole thing can be clean. So it is squirting. You just can't see it much. It just sprays it and then it wipes it all clean. So I'm going to try it on my bigger window in my front room here, and then I'm going to see how well it does compared to my other windows. Our windows are pretty dirty, so this is going to help a lot. So with the pads here, you can first do it with like a dry pad first, and then if you want to go back again, you can get it a little more damp with some extra water on it to get a deeper clean, and you can clean it many times, even once the robot stops. If it's not to your clean liking, push start again, and it will clean the window again. So this window cleaner robot is super nice, really convenient, easy to use, works great on big windows. It's going to be great to go on the outside of the window as well, the hard to reach areas, and have it clean it for you. Very simple with the remote, suctions really well. Nice, it has a safety rope, a really long cord to plug it in, and then the battery backup if the power goes out. So I'd recommend it to anyone that cleans windows, anyone that wants an easy way to clean their windows. It works really well, and it's kind of fun. fun to use and fun